The cryptocurrency we all love is on fire. A lot of news stories say that the hearing between Ripple and the SEC is almost over. These bullish signs have caught the eyes of the most important people in the business. It would be one thing if they just responded, but they're also making big guesses that could really blow your mind. This month, XRP Ripple could go as high as $120, right? That XRP Ripple movie is the most important thing I've ever seen. That is something you can't miss. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene, people who are interested in. Cryptocurrencies are paying close attention to the court case between Ripple and the SEC because it could set a major standard for how digital assets are regulated in the US. Since it began, the case has caused a lot of speculation, a lot of media attention, and a lot of talk among XRP owners. January 15th, 2025 could be the day when the case really turns around. The SEC has until this date to send the Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit its main appeal brief against Ripple Labs. This order from the court isn't just another due date. There is no doubt about it. James Filon, a lawyer for the defense, said that the appeal could be thrown out if the SEC doesn't file by January 15th. This order is very important for Ripple and the Bitcoin market as a whole. A well-known member of the XRP community posted Ripple versus SEC update January 15th, 2025, Monday, which summed up the hope that many people have that the decision could start a new era for Ripple. And King XRP made things even more interesting by speculating that Ripple might get a $20 million payment offer in the next 48 hours. These comments show how excited people who support XRP are as they wait for any signs of a solution or breakthrough. Judge Annalisa Torres made a difficult decision in 2023 that led to the start of the case. Ripple got a bit of a mixed bag from her choice. She said that the sale of XRP on exchanges did not meet the Howey test as an investment contract. However, she also said that Ripple's direct sales to institutional investors broke securities rules. Ripple had to pay a $125 million fine because of the decision. The company's CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsson have been fighting this fine ever since. Many people in the crypto business were very angry about this first ruling, saying it showed how unclear securities law is when it comes to digital assets. Because of this, the SEC sent an appeal with specific complaints about how Ripple sold its products through trading sites and how Garlinghouse and Larsson worked. Ripple quickly responded with a cross appeal that called some parts of Judge Torres' ruling into question and criticized the SEC's way of regulating the company. Lawyers for Ripple say that for a deal to be an investment contract, there needs to be a written contract with ongoing duties from Ripple to the investor. They say that this is not the case with XRP. Ripple has also said that it didn't get enough regulatory guidance. It used a defense called fair notice to say that the SEC's lack of clear rules put the company in legal limbo. The way Ripple is acting draws attention to the fact that cryptocurrency companies work in a legal gray area. Ripple's cross appeal raises the stakes, especially since it questions basic concepts that could have an impact on tokens other than XRP. If Ripple wins, it could set a legal example that other cryptocurrency projects could use. This could change how crypto is regulated in the US in the future. People who support Ripple and people who watch the industry have both been paying attention to this case because it could be a sign for the whole industry. This important date is coming up quickly and the excitement is palpable. People in the industry and people who own XRP are both closely watching. It may be a moon day for XRP on January 15th, 2025, as XRP Queen says. That's when the court will make a decision that could either make way for Ripple or add to the current debate about crypto regulation. And this current court case, there is a case that could change the price of XRP. It is not just another case. For months now, XRP has not been performing very well. So let's be honest, it was even depressing. However, crypto experts are giving us hints that a big change is about to happen. People are calling for a very loud protest that might surprise everyone. If you don't do this, you could miss one of the best market chances this year. So there is a lot of talk about XRP these days, and new predictions suggest that there could be a big change. For what could be the biggest comeback in XRP's history, both crypto fans and experts are holding their breath. Remember, they'll call you crazy until this happens. IOPEN America wrote, capturing the air of doubt that is growing around XRP. Tanya Hennessy agreed and wrote that XRP is about to have its biggest boom yet. Do not miss the next big wave. With tweets like these, more and more people are sure that XRP is about to do something that will change the game. Anymox shared an interesting picture that makes it look like XRP might be about to make a move that will do better than both Ethereum and Bitcoin. The picture shows a consolidation pattern that has been going on for 7 years. If this pattern is confirmed, it could send XRP to unimaginable heights, a rise of almost 20,589% from what it is now. That's a crazy prediction, but in the volatile world of crypto, things have gone that way before. Similar findings are being reached by other analysts. Protector recently brought up a finished 5-wave pattern that points to both a possible short-term decline and more long-term gains. Dr. Magic thinks that XRP will soon be faster than both Bitcoin and Solana, bringing about a change in the market's dynamics and possibly the start of a phase controlled by altcoins. King XRP raised even more eyebrows when he talked about an unbelievable price target. He said that a former Ripple CMO had thought that XRP could hit an unbelievable $70,000 per token. Even the most positive people would say that number is way too high, but it shows how excited people are about XRP. Another prediction puts the price of XRP at $120. This is a much less impressive forecast, but it would still be impressive if it came true. Explosion is coming, tweeted Cryptopal for no reason, expressing a feeling that many people seem to share. The hope for XRP isn't just based on theory or wishful thought. It shows a bigger trend in the market. People are becoming more sure that altcoins are ready to take the lead in the next cycle. The SEC's lawsuit is getting close to a key point, and XRP's market situation is getting stronger. This could lead to one of the biggest jumps in the coin's history. That sounds crazy, right? But things get even more exciting after this. When you think about Ripple's goal to change the way global finance works with its technology, it's hard not to picture XRP taking over the world of finance. It hasn't been able to reach its full potential because of the SEC. But that obstacle is about to go away. This upward trend could be the big break that people who own XRP have been looking for. Are you ready for a crazy ride? Let's get started. This suggestion comes at a time when both global partnerships and market excitement are making people more excited about XRP's potential to change the way money is transferred. With big names in the business world like Bank of America and Santander already working with Ripple, it has never looked like XRP would be used by so many people. Thune, a Ripple partner, recently made a statement that could be a huge step toward the global adoption of XRP. Through the well-known SWIFT network, Thune's new service lets banks send money straight to 3 billion mobile e-wallets around the world. By using Ripple's technology, Thune's is making cross-border payments easier than they used to be. This makes it possible for XRP to move at a speed and efficiency that have never been seen before. As more financial companies and banks use Ripple and its features, there will likely be more demand for XRP. This could push its price closer to or even above the predicted $120 mark. Analyst Enai Mox thinks that XRP could go up to $120. This is not too far-fetched as the situation for XRP changes for the better. Crypto enthusiasts like Chad Stinggraber and CryptoHulk support the relationships, and this network is set to grow very quickly. With Santander opening a new bank in the US and Bank of America combining their crypto and banking units, both of which use Ripple's infrastructure, XRP could soon be an important part of traditional finance. This broad institutional adoption could raise XRP's market cap, bringing it closer to what many see as a huge increase in value. But the real value of XRP is in the global banking infrastructure that Ripple has built. Ripple and its payment corridors could make it possible for XRP to become the standard for exchanges between countries. In developing countries, e-wallets are commonly used for payment. Ripple's partnerships are making the banking system faster and easier to use. XRP is what makes these transactions possible. If Ripple can keep its promise to truly globalize finance, then $120 might just be the start for XRP. It will change the way value is sent across countries and financial systems around the world. Of course, that's not the end of growth. Ripple is moving into a new area where XRP will become more than just a coin. It's tempting, right? But believe me, this has even more promise than you think. This is yet another strong sign that prices are going up, which could change the future of XRP. People are getting more and more excited about XRP, especially since the SEC recently agreed to Grayscale's request to turn its digital large cap fund into a spot ETF. To understand this better, picture an exchange-traded fund ETF as a shopping cart full of things you might want. Imagine that you go to a farmer's market and buy a box full of different